Most people search Google the same way they always have. Type a few words, scroll through results, click around until something useful shows up. But Google has a full set of search operators and tools built in that lets you cut through thousands of irrelevant results and find exactly what you need in a fraction of the time. In this video, we are going through every technique that turns basic searching into professional-level research. Let's get into it. Exact match with quotation marks. The most fundamental search operator is also the most widely underused. Putting any phrase inside quotation marks tells Google to find pages that contain that exact sequence of words in that exact order. Without quotes, searching data privacy regulation returns pages that contain any of those words anywhere on the page in any combination. With quotes, searching data privacy regulation returns only pages where that precise three-word phrase appears together. For research where specific terminology matters, this difference can cut irrelevant results from thousands down to dozens. Use exact match when you are looking for a specific quote, a technical term, a legal phrase, a title, or any situation where the exact wording is what you need, rather than a general topic. Target specific websites with site:. The site: operator limits your search results to a specific website or domain type, which is one of the most powerful research techniques available. Searching your topic, followed by site::edu, returns only results from educational institution websites, filtering out commercial and low-quality sources automatically. Site::gov returns only government websites, which is invaluable for policy research, statistics, and official data. Site::nytimes.com searches only within the New York Times archive. Site::reddit.com finds discussions on Reddit about your topic. For academic and professional research where source credibility matters, combining a topic with site::edu or site::gov immediately elevates the quality of every result on the page. Find specific file types with filetype:. The filetype operator searches for documents of a specific format rather than web pages, which is particularly useful for finding research papers, reports, presentations, and data files. Searching machine learning filetype:. PDF returns downloadable PDF documents about machine learning rather than web articles. Searching annual report filetype:. PDF finds publicly available annual reports from organizations. Searching marketing presentation filetype:. PPTs returns PowerPoint presentations you can download and reference. This operator is one of the fastest ways to access primary source documents, academic papers, government reports, and institutional research that is hosted on the web, but buried behind websites that standard searches surface instead. Exclude terms with the minus sign. The minus sign removes specific words from your search results, which is essential for any topic that has multiple meanings, or where one interpretation dominates results at the expense of the one you actually want. The classic example is searching Jaguar-car to find results about the animal rather than the vehicle brand. But this operator is equally useful in research contexts. Searching Python-snake if you want programming results, not biology. Searching Mercury-planet if you want chemistry results, not astronomy. Searching Apple-fruit if you want technology results, not products. You can stack multiple exclusions in a single search by adding additional minus terms. Searching Jaguar-car, -price, -dealership removes multiple irrelevant result categories at once. Use OR and for Boolean searches. Boolean operators let you broaden or narrow searches by defining logical relationships between your search terms. OR in capital letters between two terms returns results that contain either term. Searching remote or hybrid jobs returns results about both remote jobs and hybrid jobs, rather than requiring both words to appear together. This is useful when your topic has multiple valid names or variations, such as searching machine learning or artificial intelligence or deep learning to capture all three related fields in one search. Parentheses group terms together when combining Boolean logic. Searching open parenthesis remote or hybrid, close parenthesis data analyst jobs combines the Boolean OR for work arrangement. with the specific job title producing precise results across both variations. Search page titles and URLs with in title and in URL. Two operators that most researchers never discover, but that significantly improve result quality for specific use cases. In title : followed by a keyword, finds pages that contain that keyword specifically in their page title, rather than just somewhere in the body text. Pages that include a keyword in their title are typically more focused on that topic than pages where it appears incidentally. Searching in title : data science tutorial returns pages specifically about data science tutorials, rather than pages that mention data science in passing. InRel : followed by a keyword, finds pages that contain that keyword in the web address itself. URLs often reflect the structure of a website, so InRel : research or InRel : report can surface dedicated research sections of websites that might not appear in standard searches. Filter by date for current information. For any research topic where recency matters, Google's date filtering tools are essential and located one click away from any search results page. After running any search, click the Tools button that appears below the search bar. A drop-down appears labeled Anytime. Click it and select from options including past hour, past day, past week, past month, past year, or a custom range where you define the exact start and end dates. For technology research, policy updates, market data, scientific findings, and any rapidly evolving field, filtering to the past year or past month ensures you are reading current information rather than results that ranked highly based on age and backlinks, but may reflect outdated understanding of your topic. Proximity search with around. This is one of the least known and most useful operators for research that requires finding connections between two specific concepts or entities. Type the first term, then around in capital letters, followed by a number in parentheses, then the second term. The number tells Google how many words apart the two terms can be, while still appearing in the same result. Searching Facebook around, open parenthesis 7, close parenthesis Microsoft, returns pages where Facebook and Microsoft appear within 7 words of each other, which surfaces content specifically about their relationship, competition, or collaboration, rather than pages that simply mention both companies somewhere in the text. This operator is particularly valuable for competitive research, academic literature reviews, and any situation where you need to find content about the specific relationship between two topics rather than content about either topic individually. Use Google Scholar for academic research. For any research requiring credible academic sources, Google Scholar at scholar.google.com is a dedicated search engine that indexes peer-reviewed papers, journals, books, theses, and court opinions, rather than general web content. The Cited By feature underneath each result shows how many subsequent papers have referenced that source. Clicking it reveals all newer papers that cite the original, which is one of the fastest ways to find current research building on a foundational paper without starting a new search from scratch. You can search by author using author : in quotes, followed by the name, to find all papers by a specific researcher. You can filter by publication date using the year range filters on the left sidebar. And you can set up alerts for specific topics so that new papers matching your search terms are emailed to you automatically when they are indexed. Combine operators for maximum precision. The real power of Google search operators comes from combining them. Each operator narrows your results, and stacking multiple operators produces surgical precision that no amount of keyword variation alone can match. A research combination like cite:/gov, quote, renewable energy, end quote, filetype: PDF, combines 3 operators to return only government-published PDF documents about renewable energy. A competitive research combination like in title: review, open parenthesis product name, close parenthesis, minus sponsored, minus ad, minus affiliate, targets review pages about a specific product while filtering out commercial content. An academic combination like cite:/edu, quote, specific topic, end quote, filetype PDF, older underscore then 5y, finds older academic documents that might contain foundational research no longer surfacing in standard searches. Spend a few minutes building combinations before you start any significant research session, and you will consistently find better sources in less time than standard keyword searching produces. Professional Google searching is not about knowing obscure tricks. It is about understanding that every operator is a precision tool designed for a specific type of search problem. Learn which one to reach for based on what you are looking for, and your research speed and quality both improve permanently. If this helped, drop a comment below and let us know which operator you are going to start using first. And for more research tools and productivity guides like this one, make sure you subscribe. We will see you in the next one.